Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this lesson, we will be talking about uncertainty. There are two categories of uncertainty: there's systematics and random uncertainty. Systematic uncertainties are pretty much things that are consistently causing your measurements to be either too large or too small. And it includes things like reaction time, maybe inaccuracy of your meter sticks. It can be because of a miscalibrated balance that causes your measurement to be too large or too small. Once we figure out the systematic uncertainties, we can actually eliminate it completely. Let's say you're trying to collect some data with regard to how much each member of your family weight. You use the bathroom scale and you stood on it and you notice that your weight 10 pounds heavier than usual, and all of your family members also notice that they weigh 10 pounds heavier. So that's something that you notice, and what you can do is go back and just recheck the balance to see if it's actually calibrated correctly. If not, then you just fix that, and so once you fix that, you will eliminate that systematic uncertainty completely from your measurement. Random uncertainty doesn't have any predictable pattern. As best, what you can do is you can reduce it, but you cannot eliminate it. When you have a tool and you're trying to make a measurement, the part where you estimate the value is contribute to that uncertainty. And you can always get a different tool that make even more precise measurement, but again, you always have the estimation part of that, and that contributes to the random uncertainty. So how do you determine uncertainty? Well, there's two ways to do that. One is estimating uncertainty. The other one is calculating uncertainty. When you make measurements and you don't have enough time to make the same measurement over and over again, you just look at the tool and estimate the uncertainty based on that. You also going to be, if you have enough time, you can actually calculate it. So in this lesson, you will learn how to do both. You will learn how to estimate, and you will learn how to calculate.